yes, the hills are definitely alive here. Ever wondered how you can experience the serenity of a hillside view? Well, join me, Derek Manuat, as we conduct yet another unique house tour with Domus Windows and Doors. The high-impact line of Domus Windows and Doors is one to be reckoned with. These units come with our high-impact 9mm glass, as well as they are proven to reduce sound significantly by up to 35 decibels. So, we're starting by this door. Can you guess how large it is? I'll give you a hint. It's not 12 feet. It's not 18 feet. It's 24. You heard it, it's 24 feet. That brings the indoor right out. This is the height of the indoor-outdoor living. So just above me, you're going to notice this custom 8-foot wide picture window with high impact glass. These units are ideal for small spaces as it allows natural light as well as they provide maximum security. Our high-impact awning windows are also ideal for small spaces. These are suited very well for bathrooms and utility rooms. These units are highly customizable as they can be configured as single units or multiple pieces. This one, for example, comes not just with high-impact glass, but it's also frosted, which gives you optimum privacy. Hey everyone, thank you all so much for spending this time with me on this unique house tour. Please remember to follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube for this and so much more, and also check us out on our website at www.domuswindows.com. Bye for now.